Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to refund on Kakobuy. So first thing is you just have to open any of your web browser and then you have to log into your Kakobuy account. So first is you have to check your order status and eligibility. So only some refund requests are accepted, like damaged item, missing item, incorrect item, or unfulfilled orders. So if the item has not shipped on Gagabuy's warehouse within a reasonable time, like 7 to 9 days according to user reports, so some buyers say that you can request a refund. So you can actually check the status of your order. Just go to the user center and then go to the orders. Next is you have to gather the information. So before contacting the support, you have to prepare your order number, photos of the product, and the evidence of the problem. So once you have that, you can now contact Kakobuy support. So you just have to scroll down all the way here and you have this customer service. So tap on the contact us option. Okay, so you can reach out their official support channels. And after that, you just have to submit your refund requests. So yeah, right here in your message. So you have the details where you can contact them. So in your message, you have to state you want a refund, include the order number, and then explain the issue clearly. And then you have to attach the proof you gathered, like photos and videos. And then the next step is return shipping. So if they approve a return, the package, um, you have to pack the item carefully, and then they may give you a return shipping label and instruction, and then you just have to track the return shipment because the refund often happens after they receive and inspect your item. And next is the refund processing. So refunds are usually issued back to original payment method. And once the return is verified, so you have to keep in mind it may take several days depending on your bank or payment provider. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.